Hello everybody, Not Dead Yet here. I just woke up and today we are pulling a chef rush, rolling right out of bed to do some push-ups because Tom Lazoric beat me again in the MamaSwole Push-Up Challenge by 1. He got 86. Now, I found that to be pretty funny, but I DM'd him on Instagram, and according to him, much like me, that number was completely unplanned. However, I'm not shooting for 87. Do any of you honestly think that I can't get 87 push-ups? No. Today, I am going to attempt to be the first person to break triple digits on this challenge. I am shooting for the big 100. So without further ado, let's get into it. Hey everyone, so one thing I forgot to mention in this video is that Tom actually went a little bit above and beyond when it comes to the Rocky push-ups. He did 50 in each arm with a 30-pound weighted vest.
Just gonna show you. 1 6-pound weight, 2 6-pound weight, 3, 4, and 5.
I'm not going to do that in this video for 2 reasons. 1, I like to keep this challenge relatively simple. This was supposed to be a bodyweight exercise, Rocky push-ups, whatever. And 2, most importantly, I don't have a weighted vest. Are you kidding me? Those things are like $150. Remember when I said I had to save up for Greg's cookbook? But anyway, point being is not doing those. Still really impressive. Good on you, Tom. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into my actual attempt. Alright, hello, here we are back with the bra strap as we were last time. Roll it up so it's all nice and tight, as you can see. Okay, 100. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Halfway there. Let's go. Let's go. Halfway there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 90. 10 more. Come on, count them out with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 more. Come on. Don't quit at the finish line. 5, 6, 10. Damn it! God damn it! So damn close! Damn! I may have to try this again. God damn it! I can barely get up. Well, I won, but not really. God, that's a piss off. 97, damn. 3 from the finish line. That's disappointing. That's really disappointing. And now I have to do it again. God damn it. That's disappointing. Well, I did it, but that doesn't mean much. Oh, my arms. Alright, well, till next time.